Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word with me, Alex. I'm so excited to have you here today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Our word of the day is approval, a B2 level noun that means agreement or permission for something. This is such a useful word that you'll hear in many contexts, so let's dive into its meaning and how to use it in everyday life. Approval is often used to describe the act of agreeing to something or granting permission. For example, you might say, the manager gave her approval for the new project, or he waited for his parents' approval before making the big decision. It's a word that's all about expressing consent or acceptance. Let's talk about some synonyms for approval. Words like permission, consent, endorsement, and agreement have similar meanings. For instance, the teacher gave her permission to leave early, or the celebrity's endorsement of the product boosted its sales. These examples show how the meaning of approval can be reflected in different words depending on the context. Now, let's look at some antonyms to understand what the opposite of approval might sound like. Words like rejection, disapproval, denial, and refusal highlight contrasting ideas. For example, the proposal faced rejection from the board, or his behavior received widespread disapproval. These antonyms show the lack of agreement or permission. In everyday life, you'll find approval used in many situations, both formal and informal. In the workplace, you might hear, the team is waiting for the boss's approval to proceed with the plan. In personal conversations, someone might say, I finally got my parents' approval to study abroad. Whether it's about major decisions or small daily tasks, this word finds its way into various scenarios. Let's put approval into some example sentences. The design received unanimous approval from the committee. He smiled, knowing he had won her approval. The school needs the city council's approval to expand its facilities. These sentences show how approval can fit naturally into different contexts. To sum up, approval is a noun that means agreement or permission for something. Its synonyms like permission, consent, and endorsement express similar ideas, while antonyms like rejection, disapproval, and denial show its opposite meaning. I hope this exploration of the word approval helps you feel confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not create your own sentence using approval and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the beauty of words.
See you soon.